Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is an English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 7, over the counter medicines. Yes, my dear teachers. This is lesson plan and I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. This lesson plan is available into the description box. You may click it, download it, or you can modify it for your convenience. Today is our lecture 9, under the grammar writing skills. We will write about a paragraph. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about how to write a short paragraph. I hope you may recall this lecture, and if you may not, so you can memorize and you can see this video lecture again. Our today's learning outcomes are: show relationships between sentences in a paragraph and between paragraphs. Write a guided paragraph using ideas gathered and organized through various strategies. Analyze a simple paragraph to recognize that a paragraph comprises groups of sentences that develop a single main idea. The main idea of a paragraph is given in the topic sentence. Other sentences in the paragraph support the topic. Today we cover up that. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran they could devote themselves to studies in religion and admonish the people when they return to them, that thus they may learn to guard themselves against evil. Surah At-Tawbah, verse number 122. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that how we can save us from evil, from sin, just because of knowledge. If we will get knowledge about our religion, so we will save us from evil and from wrong deeds. Yes, let's refresh our knowledge. What is a paragraph? What are the important features of a paragraph? Yes, my dear students, pause the video and answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, I hope you have done it. Good job. Let's see what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a series of meaningful sentences that are organized together and related to a single topic. Always a paragraph is the group of sentences that are organized together and they will support to a single main idea. And how many parts of paragraph? Paragraphs have 3 parts: topic sentence, supporting details, concluding sentence. Let's see what is a topic sentence. The topic sentence, the first section of a paragraph includes the topic sentence and any other sentence at the beginning of the paragraph that give background information. Yes, the first part of the paragraph always tells us about the main idea. We can say it topic sentence, and it can be comprises on single sentence, or it may be 2 sentences are there together, and the other all sentences support that main idea. Let's see there is an example. Canada is one of the best countries in the world. So this is our topic sentence. So next is supporting detail. Follows the introduction discussing the main idea using facts, arguments, examples and other information. Yes, in supporting details, in the second section of the paragraph, we can get introduction about the main topic, main idea, that which thing is going to discuss and how it is going to discuss. We can give facts, we cannot change, and arguments we can give that why that thing is in this way. We can give different examples, and also we can collect different information in the sporting details. And the next is, you can see there first that I gave that is a topic sentence. Canada is one of the best countries in the world. And why Canada is best of countries in the world? Let's see sporting detail. Canada has an excellent healthcare center. All Canadians have access to medical services at a reasonable price. It has a high standard of education. Students are taught by well-trained teachers and are encouraged to continue studying at university. Canada's cities are clean and efficiently managed. Canadian cities have many parks and lots of space for people to live. Yes, that second section is giving us the complete sporting detail related with our main topic. Let's see what is our concluding sentence. The final section summarizes between the information discussed in the body of the paragraph and the paragraph's controlling idea. Yes, the last sentence will collect all information that is being discussed in the sporting detail in the second section and how they are organized and how it can support to the main idea. Let's see that what our concluding sentence is telling us. As a result, Canada is a desirable place to live. See there? Yes, my dear students, now I have arranged all three parts in the shape of a paragraph. That was our first topic sentence, and that is our sporting detail, and the last one is giving us the concluding sentence. And in this way, this is a well organized paragraph. Yes, it's time to learn with fun. Let's perform an activity. Get students into groups, give them tasks to read out the 6th paragraph of Unit 7 on page number 62. Identify topic sentence, sporting detail, and closing sentence. Then share your information with your classmates. Yes, my dear students, this is a paragraph for you. And from your lesson, unit number 7, you should, on page number 62, read that paragraph carefully in your class and arrange all these 3 features of a paragraph and discuss with your teacher in your class, and then come back. Good job. I hope you have enjoyed it. This is question number 12 on your book on page number 69. So now we are going to move to perform an individual activity in our class. So do that in your class and then come back. Yes, I hope you have done it. What's our homework for today? Write a paragraph how you spend your Sunday in your notebook. Yes, my dear students, so everyone, all of us enjoying Sunday, we have a weekend. So you will write a paragraph how you spend your weekend in the shape of a paragraph. You will organize all features and in your homework you will write that. Yes, this is worksheet, and my dear teachers, you can click it, download it and provide it to your students in printed form. Yes, what we have learned today? So we learned today what is a paragraph and its different parts. We also got knowledge that how we can organize a meaningful paragraph for better understanding. And in this way, we have covered up our SLOs. I hope you have enjoyed your lecture. Thank you so much. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.